driving snow plows in the wintertime when snow does fly. It's early morning, snowy afternoons. Sometimes I drive the snowplow all the night through. I grew up in the country, always thought I would leave. Always wanted to play football in the Canadian League. When I met Shirley, I was just 17. As soon as we locked eyes, I knew that I'd never leave. Faster than most people do. When I asked her to marry, she said I do. We had us a baby on Christmas Eve. As soon as she gave birth, it came time to leave. Now I'm doing double nickel on Highway 22. The snow's coming down fast. I'll keep this plow running, I'll keep it pointed straight. If all goes well, I'll be home Christmas Day. People say winter ain't what it was. Boy, when I was a kid, oh, we had it tough. It was uphill both ways, it was 50 below. But your generation hasn't seen that kind of snow. So I guess I'll keep rolling through the thick of the storm. Keep my blade to the ground and my radio on. Hoping and praying that I'll see this through. Hoping this road leads me right back to you. Now I'm doing double nickel on Highway 22. The snow's coming down fast. I'll keep this plow running,